Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very pleasant morning to all the attendees for today. We are very fortunate this morning because we have Dr. Hidayat to present his presentation on R Markdown and Gtsummary, increase the reproducibility, reduce the error. So Dr. Hidayat has just graduated from his Masters of Public Health in USM and is currently pursuing his DRPH with a special interest in epidemiology. So without further ado, I would like to invite Dr. Hidayat, but just a bit of an announcement. Any questions can be written down inside the chat, and we will go through the questions at the end of the presentation. So without further ado, I would like to invite Dr. Hidayat to present his presentation this morning. Over to you, Doctor.
All right. Thank you to Dr. Afrika for the kind introduction. So this is a santai-santai punya session je lah. So today I will be presenting on the usage of Gtsummary package in R Markdown to produce a publication ready analysis of the table. And this function will enable us to increase the reproducibility of our research and at the same time reducing the error in coding or the table formatting. So before I start, I intend this webinar to the beginners in R and those who are intermediate or advanced R users are welcome to give suggestions and comments lah. So for this webinar, I can only provide the codes and the tutorial, but not the data because I'm bounded to the rules and regulation of using this national data. And you can always go to the Gtsummary website to learn more about this package. All right, a little bit on my outline for presentation today. Firstly, I will talk about the introduction to R Markdown, to the Gtsummary package, and then we will look at the function of an application of Gtsummary package, and I will show the demonstration of using Gtsummary package in producing the descriptive table, and later on we will go to the table customization, and I will show you how to print, how to transform the R Markdown script into the Microsoft Words, because most of us will be finalize our manuscript, our thesis in Microsoft Words. So it is good to know how to transform how to, in R we call knit, how to knit your R Markdown into Microsoft Words with supporting format for Gtsummary. All right. Okay. Gtsummary is previously developed to help the researchers with the reproducibility crisis, whereas there is always errors in code, errors in formatting, which will lead to the unstandardized and poor quality of the published manuscript or articles. So the team in the MSK Research Center developed this Gtsummary package to help the researchers with this issue. So with Gtsummary, it can provide us with elegant and flexible way to create a publication-ready analytical and summary table using R. We can use it in R script, we can use it in R Markdown, and we can also use it in R presentation. So it is very customizable package to be used, and it helps us with those that do not have much background about programming to use R efficiently and with less stress lah. All right. So this is the table that we want. We want a table with we want when we finish with analysis, this table come out. Before this, kalau kita guna contoh contoh kalau kita guna SPSS, the output we have to copy and paste into the Excel. We have to do formatting, copy and paste again into Words, and it might consume a lot of time. But with Gtsummary, we finish with the analysis, this table will come out. So it saves a lot of time and it's very convenient to be used. Okay. So a little bit on function and application of Gtsummary package. I have talked about the functions, and I will show the demonstration later. And then specific to my research, I use Gtsummary package for descriptive analysis to do the gender, ethnic, and regional specific descriptive analysis for the 10-year CBD risk among nations. So we can have a look on the application. I will go fast with this slide, and then later we go to the demonstration in R. Okay. All right. First of all, like usual, you have to install the package, and you have to call the function in Gtsummary package, and after that you can load the data from your working directory, and then after you load, you have to need to have an idea what variables contained in your data set. So you can use head function as a basic function in R to look for variable that contain in your data set. So when you use head function, you will get this. So you can see you have a ID variable, state, ethnic, gender, and etc. etc. Right? Okay. Next, demographic characteristic. It is easy to produce a publication ready table using Gtsummary with this kind of package. So what you have to do after you load the data, and then you have to select what variable you want to be in the table. Okay. For the demo purposes, I select the age, gender, ethnic, and so on, and then you make it as object in R. And then after that, the object, you can use the Gtsummary in this function. We used TBL summary function to produce the table. So after you run the command, you will get this kind of table. So this is the basic Gtsummary table. Tak customize lagi, kita tak ubah lagi dia punya labels, dia punya variable labels, kita tak bold lagi dia punya semua-semua tu, dan kita tak finalizekan lagi digit dia, kita tak finalizekan lagi the decimal places. Later on, I will show you on how to customize your Gtsummary table. All right. And then for objective 1, for gender specific, the same thing, the same code, but you have to put here in the TBL summary function by gender, so that your table will be produced in a manner that it separate in between male and female. So after you run the code, you will get this. All right. So your table will be like this, separated male and female, and this again is uncustomized. Okay. After that, for objective 2, ethnic specific, you just unselect the gender just now and select the ethnic with other variables that you want to tabulate, and in the TBL summary function, you just put by ethnic. So you will get after you run this code, you will get this table. Okay. Customize pun dah nampak cantik lah. Okay. So bila kita need dalam words pun nampak cantik. Apatah lagi bila kita customize nanti, we can just have a final product in the Microsoft Words. All right. Then for objective 3, region specific, deselect the gender, the ethnic, select the region, and you analyze the descriptive by region. So you will get this. All right, too simple. Okay. Next is the table customization. You can change the labels. You can round the decimal place to what you want, and then you can format the statistic in the table. Okay. For this one, uh, I use the TBL summary, analyze by gender, change the label in the table. So age, you can change to what you want, to age with capital letter, age cat to age category, gender to gender, ethnicities, state in Malaysia, region in Malaysia. You can make it full, all right? And then you can change the summary statistic presented. You can put for the all continuous variables to be in mean and SD format, and you can put the all categorical variable in n and proportion format, and you can round the decimal places for all continuous variable to 2 decimal places, and for all categorical variables for n 0 decimal places, for p 2 decimal places. So it is, so the table is preset. So you can just preset your table and just have the final product after you run the code. All right. And then you can continue further with the customization with add function and modify function. You can add p-value straight away to the table. You can add the number of sample. You can modify the labels. You can bold the labels, and you can modify the heading of the tables, the spanner heading. All right. And then lastly, for print engine, the one that I conveniently use to knit the Markdown into Microsoft Word is using the SFLAG table, because it is compatible with Words, with PDF, with HTML. Other print engine such as SGT is not compatible with Word. You will get just numbers in Word, but not the formatting, but not the tables. And others is not very compatible with Marsh formatting. All right. So let's go to the demonstration in R. Okay kan semua? Okay kan? So you akan nampak lagi bila saya tunjuk dalam R lah. Wait. Present now. Studio. Boleh nampak tak saya punya Markdown?
Boleh Dayat, boleh teruskan.
Alright. So jelas Alright. This is the interface in the Markdown. Sebelum ni pun kita dah have a introduction to Markdown by Prof Kim, and then I hope that this webinar can help you to move further in your daily usage of R. Okay, so later on you can use this package to do the analysis and to strengthen your skill in R. Okay, so let's start. So just now I do the package and data preparation. We install the package, we load the function, and then we load the data set, and we have a look at the data set with the variables that contain in the data set. Okay. And then for demographic characteristic, when you run the code, you will get a nice table like this. All right. You can have this in words. Okay. So when you need the markdown, you have this table. Sorry. All right. Lebih jelas. So kita boleh tengok categorical variable automatically in number of sample, in proportion, continuous variable in mean and SD, and then at the end of the table dia siap dah ada footnote dah. Alright. Oh sorry, ni dia guna, dia detect as median IQR because the data is not is not normally distributed. So dia akan detect terus. So kalau data tu normally distributed, dia akan in mean NSD. Alright. Okay. That's for demographic characteristic. This is so when you run this for gender specific, you will get this table. Alright. And then this again, a nice table, right? Okay. So for region specific sama lah. Alright. Okay, then we can customize. We can customize the table. Okay. We can change the table, the variable labels. We can macam saya cakap tadi, kita boleh tentukan apa yang kita nak. Okay. Kita boleh round the decimal places. And then kita boleh add the p-value, kita boleh add the number of sample, kita boleh modify the header to variable. Okay, we can bold the label and we can print on, we can knit the markdown into Microsoft Words. All right. When you run this, okay. Okay, this is the final product. You see, we have changed the table header. We have add the number of sample. We have add the p-value. We have add the changed all the labels, and we have bold the labels. Alright. So semua bolded dengan apa yang kita nak, the final format of this table presentation. Okay. Alright. Last but not least, we need to Microsoft Word. Okay, we transform using a flag table function. All right. Sorry, it's not ready yet. All right. Ready. Okay. I will show you the final product in the Microsoft Word. Alright. So tadi yang kita, so you will get this, okay? This table. Ni yang tak customize lagi. Ni pun yang tak customize lagi. Alright. So kadang-kadang tu dia just lebih daripada the margin. We can always fit to window. Alright. To be like this. Okay. Kita tengok yang customize. Alright. This one yang kita dah customize tadi. The fit to window. So it will be ready for us. Alright. Siap. So tak payah nak banyak kerja. We finish the analysis and we get the final product. So that's all from me. Ada soalan boleh tanya.
Thank you so much, Dr. Hidayat. So there's one question from the audience from Prof. Kim. He asked, can we save the table created with Gtsummary into CSV or Excel by using read CSV or read Excel?
Oh, tak boleh. Dia tak compatible. Dia boleh kita print it as flexible. Tapi kalau ada cara, saya welcome for the coding session lah. setakat yang saya buat tak boleh lah.
Okay, thank you, Doctor. So another question from Dr. Arifin. Boleh tunjuk balik kod untuk change header name?
Okay, jap. Stop sharing. Alright. Yang modify header. So kita modify yang default characteristic to variables, and then dia boleh modify banyak lagi header sebenarnya untuk kita tukarkan spanning header juga. Mungkin Dr. Arifin nak tambah ke? Alright.
Dr. Arifin, okay ke?
Okay ke?
Saya assume. Alright. Okay, Doctor. So tadi masa dia keluar dekat words, bila selalu jadi isu masa kita buat thesis atau manuscript tu, dia lebih table kita lagi panjang daripada kita punya length of paper tu kan. So dia automatic akan ada table setiap satu tu lah kiranya.
Macam mana?
Dia bila dia nak continue table, the same table in another page, dia akan auto ke ataupun kita kena adjust balik?
Oh, maknanya kita nak buat by page kan, macam yang format thesis kita tu kita kena separate lah.
Kita kena separate sendirilah dekat words. Alright.
Yes, kita kena separate sendiri.
Okay. Okay, so far tak ada apa-apa soalan lagi, tambahan soalan dekat chat ni. Saya rasa okay lah. Okay ke?
Alright, so dah okay kot.
Any final words from Hidayat?
That's all. boleh practice lepas ni kalau nak practice dengan data sendiri. Alright.
InsyaAllah. Alright. Okay, thank you so much Hidayat. InsyaAllah nanti kan kita sama-sama boleh try and practice lah. Alright. Kalau tak ada apa-apa, saya tutupkan dengan surah wal asr tasbih kifara. Thank you Hidayat, and maybe we will jumpa lagi next time. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Alright, thank you. Salam tuah.